Hello my friends, this video is an answer to some questions users asked about how to use the infrared transmitter module. Okay, I did this quickly, this video, and I wrote this program you see over here, and watch in the serial area. I'll write it down. So please watch this serial area, and this is an Arduino Uno microcontroller board, and I have connected in port. You'll see here. This is the transmitter and this is the receiver, and I'm sending to the transmitter a random number, as you see here, a 32-bit random number, and so it's 3-byte number, as we see, and I'm after 0.1 seconds, after after a tenth of a second, I am seeing at the infrared receiver and receive it, and I print it out. So as you can see, what is transmitted is actually received on the other end. So this is how to quickly do it. To do this, you have to add, after adding the Arduino extension, this tab, the communication tab, is active, so you can add this infrared transmitter module that already exists in the Mind+ environment. It did this, so I got this new command, and I added it here. Okay, you can add the most common encoding is the NEC encoding technique. So I'm using this, and I'm using it has to be always has to be a 32-bit by 3-byte number. So please see this, use as it is, as you see it on the video, and I hope this answers any questions you have. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.